Hi, welcome to Taste of Change. I'm Dr. Irina Koles and we'll be cooking today spaghetti squash with shrimp, and we'll make a small change which leads to big changes in your life. Big thanks to lovely store Bazaar West, who kindly provided me with these ingredients which you can find in their store. Always fresh, always big variety of great, fresh, healthy food. Well, the most challenging part in cooking spaghetti squash is cutting this. So I've got some help from my team, and I have it already ready. Now just take the seeds out. Very important to choose spaghetti squash and not any other squash. When seeds are out, all you need to do is place this spaghetti, halves of spaghetti squash, upside down on the baking sheet and put it in the oven to 375 for a pretty long time, for about 40 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare shrimp for cooking. These are very nice shrimp. They're big and they're whole, and I always encourage you to choose this kind, not pre-cooked. They just come out delicious, and when you clean it, leave this little tail on. Do not remove it before cooking. Then shrimp comes juicy and keeps its flavor, and it's fun to eat it. I cleaned all shrimp, but do not cook them yet because the spaghetti squash is ready, and we want to place it first before we cook shrimp. Look how nice. With the fork you start taking the flesh, and it's actually lots of fun. It comes out very quickly and nice and cute. That's why it's called spaghetti squash. See? Like spaghetti. Oh, nice. Place them right on the nice dish. So this part should be removed definitely. Now we are going to cook shrimp. Always cook on olive oil. This is the only oil which doesn't change its amazing quality over heating. So other oils are great for salads, for toasts, whatever you use it, but please use olive oil for cooking. Skillet should be hot. Shrimp cook quickly, and it's nice to cook them on the hot so they are not mushy. Oh, this is what I expected. You see, they're turning pink right away. I may add some olive oil. There is no such thing as too much olive oil. I'll cook a little bit and add garlic at the very end and lemon. And that's it, the dinner is ready. Very good shrimp, big and juicy. We'll add some salt. And black pepper. Almost done. They're getting pink and white. At this point we can add garlic. Oh, it smells so good. So good. They are good to go. At the very end, we'll add lemon. You see, you like spaghetti, I like spaghetti. Many people used to eat seafood with angel pasta, which is not bad, but combination of many foods is not good with pasta. The habit which you developed over your entire life is just lead you. This is what drives your behavior. You're just used to this. You see it on TV, you see it at friends' houses, your family, in magazines, everywhere. But at one point, if you want to change your habit, the tricky part is it cannot be simply deleted. This is why diets don't work, because they force people just delete it. Just, I was eating spaghetti, now I'm not eating spaghetti. And this is hard. It is almost impossible, I would say. You cannot just delete this habit and forget about everything you did your half of your life. But it can be and should be replaced. And replacing is a learnable skill. Actually, it is the same skill like developing a habit. And you can do it. You can do it. You just need to find good replacement. Well, at this point, at our program, we replace spaghetti with spaghetti squash. Even the name is the same. So it is very easy to replace. Do not decline. Do not commit to deprivation. Do not commit to suffering. You don't need it. You can just replace and continue enjoy eating. Would it be the same? No. It may be better. It may be worse. It will not be the same meal. But so many times it is even more delicious. You feel so good after this. You feel good emotionally that you commit to health, and you make it without deprivations. And definitely you'll feel much better physically. our meal is ready, and even it looks very, very nice. How can you say that it is not a good replacement? Here is our meal for today: spaghetti squash with shrimp. I'm Dr. Irina Koles. You can check the recipes at weightdestiny.com and find many good tips for changing the small things, for getting big changes in your life and your outcomes. You can check the video again, you can watch it and many other videos at ActonTV channel. See you later!